Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the AUR in BredOS on the Radxa Rock 5B. And the AUR stands for Arch User Repository. And there is a fairly simple way to install packages from the AUR, and one of them is with Yay. But if you prefer a GUI, then you can also install pamac-aur. So the first thing to install is probably base-devel. You don't need it directly for Yay, but as soon as you need to build something from the AUR, you need to have base-devel installed. So I already installed it, so I'm not going to do it here. But once that's installed, then you can do Yay -S pamac-aur. So if you don't need a GUI, you can also install AUR packages with Yay itself just on the command line. And one of the things is that I installed Simple Screen Recorder, so I'm actually using Simple Screen Recorder at the moment. But the thing is that it's not listed as compatible with ARM. So yeah, you need to, let's just say, force it. So let's just say I already installed Simple Screen Recorder, so I'm going to use ppsspp as an example here. So I'm not going to build it from here. So here you see that it notices that ppsspp is not available for this architecture, but you can try to build it anyway. So that's a fairly user-friendly way of trying to get around this. Well, I'm not going to build it now, but if you choose yes, then it would start building, but I'm not really sure if it will build without any errors. But for the sake of the example, so here is pamac, and it might take a while before it actually starts. And I've used it a lot on my Pinebook Pro with Manjaro. So that's also one of the reasons why I'm installing it here, because I'm already used to it from my Pinebook Pro. Yeah, one of the things is that you need to make sure that you have enabled AUR support in the third-party tab. So let's just say we're going to search for ppsspp. So here we have ppsspp-git. So let's just say we'll try to build it. And if I don't change the build files, then it will complain that it's not available for this architecture. So it says it expects Arch 64. So you can change this in the build file. One other trick is just go for all. And then apply. Oh, I thought all was also a valid option, but apparently not, so we'll just go for arch64 in that case. And then if we apply now, so I'm not going to wait until it's ready. I'll let you know in the description of the video if it was successful or not. But I hope that now you know how you can install packages from the AUR, and that you also know how to force the build even if it's not listed as compatible with your architecture. So that's all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.